Afternoon apes. AMC is responding very well today. We can see it's up by 6% so far. We still do have quite a while to go until the market does close. What we're going to be doing in this one is quickly looking at the price section and talking about what we're expecting going into this afternoon, because we already know earnings is coming up and big things are expected. We already know we have an estimation of well above 700 million, and we've said in the past, and I will say it again, it could be higher than that. It could be 750, it could be 800 million, potentially 900 million, and a very, very long shot, but it definitely could happen. We could see revenue figures all the way up to, or at least close to, 1 billion, which would be insane for AMC. But either way, even if we hit 700 million plus, that's going to be a big number for AMC revenue, so do not forget that. But we've already talked about revenue in detail in the past. I want to take a quick look at where we are on the charts, because things are looking really good for AMC, as you will already know. One thing on the 1 day, and by the way, as I have said in the past, I don't look at the 1 day too much, but for AMC today, I think this data does matter. So of course it's just my opinion, it's not financial advice, but for the 1 day, AMC is looking fairly well. We've had this big spike up in the morning, you will see. We ran all the way up. We went above the $44 mark, and you know what, we do appear to be quite stable there. We had a dip just below it for a while, as we saw a bit of selling off after this big spike up. But right now, we appear to be sat in a very comfortable range, again above 44. Now what we're looking for now is some consolidation, in my opinion. And if we do see that consolidation, we could be looking for a rip up towards the end of day. So things are looking fantastic. Does this mean that the MOS is starting right now? I wouldn't say right now. I wouldn't say this particular moment. Now, of course, anything can trigger it, as we know. We don't know when it's going to happen. We don't know what's going to trigger it, but we do know that things are looking really, really good. AMC is having more and more catalysts pretty much on a daily basis right now. And this is just another one of these. It shows that people are responding well to earnings coming up. People are expecting big things, as they are putting their money where their mouth is and buying more and more shares. So some real strength in the community today, and it shows that they also cannot keep us down. The price of AMC today is running up. They can't really keep this one down anymore. The secrets are coming out. We already know that AMC is being manipulated very, very heavily, and I think right now it's becoming harder and harder to hide. The real price will appear, as it already is to an extent. The real price action will appear as well, and we'll see more and more pressure coming into the stock, in my opinion. But right now, just for today, we're looking for that push up, hopefully to break past 45. One thing that we're having difficulty with today is breaking above 45. But break above 45, we want to see a rip from there. And again, one thing that we're really looking for, perhaps not today, I think it is a long shot for today, but in the next 2 or 3 days, we want to push above 50. We've hit 50 in the past, so we've had difficulty breaking above it. We've been above it in the past 3 months for a very short period of time here, but clearly it didn't last. So push above 50 would be ideal in the next couple of days, because we already know where AMC is comfortable. It sits within this range of about 30 at the low end and 50 at the high end for a very, very long time. And in the past month, it's been more like 35 up to about 45. So yeah, things are becoming tighter and tighter on the charts. We're looking for that big breakout, and it definitely could be happening very, very soon. Come up to Bollinger Bands, which is something which just shows the trends of, AMC's share price movement, and you'll see one thing is very, very clear. The bands are becoming tighter and tighter. Zoom out to the past 6 months, zoom out to the past year to date, and you'll look at how tight these are coming. They expanded very, very wide where we had this big run up. You'd expect that to happen. They're coming closer now, and they're becoming very, very tight. Now, we've had a little bit of a rise in the past couple of weeks, but still they are very tight. And again, we're looking for another push up. This could be the catalyst which takes us above 50. I'm not looking for this one to trigger the mouse. It could trigger the mouse, but what I want to see more than that, I want to see it push us above 50 and see some consolidation above the 50 mark. So tell me your thoughts down below. I want to hear what you have to say. Thank you for watching this short video. Goodbye. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.